Good evening, children. Today I am going to explaining about hyperlinks. Hyperlink is a link to open another sheet or another page or another web page. See here, a hyperlink is a colored and underlined text or graphic. Hyperlink is a colored and underlined text or a graphic. Why we have to use this hyperlink means, if you want to insert another application or if you want to open another applications page or a web page, then you may click on this hyperlink. Then you may click on this hyperlink. You may raise a doubt, sir, we are working in Excel spreadsheet, sir. How will we include these hyperlinks in our worksheet? Simple. You may insert that page link or web page link or another data source link into a particular cell. If you click on that link, then it will open that page or that data source. Clear? One, see here, a hyperlink is a colored and underlined text or graphic which works as a reference to a specific location. It refers that location. If you click on that link means, then it will refer that location or a document or a web page. Okay. Now, how many types of hyperlinks are there? There are two types of hyperlinks. How many types of hyperlinks are there? Two types. First one is relative hyperlink. First one is what? Relative hyperlink. And second one is absolute hyperlink. Second one is absolute hyperlink. First one, relative hyperlink. What does it mean? Relative hyperlink contains a partial address. It contains only partial address, a part of that location, which is relative to the address of the destination file. If you click on that file, then it will open the data source or a file or a web page. For example, you have saved a workbook in D drive. You have saved a workbook in D drive, and you have saved an image in the drive only. You have saved a workbook in D drive, and you have saved an image in the drive only. In the drive means D drive only. Then you may apply this type of relative hyperlink. Otherwise, you can't apply this relative hyperlink. Why? Because if you want to use this link means you have to save. You have to save workbook and other data sources in OneDrive only or in one folder only. Relative hyperlink యూజ్ చేయాలంటే ఒక కండిషన్ ఉంది. ఆ కండిషన్ ఏంటంటే, you have to save that workbook file and you have to save that data source in that folder only. అదే ఫోల్డర్లో మీరు సేవ్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది, లేకపోతే అదే డ్రైవ్లో సేవ్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. డ్రైవ్ అంటే ఏంటి? See here, for your understanding purpose, now I am opening drive. See here. Here, this is C drive, this is E drive. This is C drive and this is E drive. If you want to apply relative hyperlink, means you have to save those files in same drive. That is the condition. Now coming to the point, see here, relative hyperlink will be look like this only. Here it tells about it is a hyperlink. But it is not displaying full address of that link. Okay, understand? Relative hyperlink is a link, or relative hyperlink is a hyperlink. It contains only partial address. It will not display full address of that link. If you click on that link, means then it will open the destination file or data source. One condition is there. If you want to apply this hyperlink, you have to follow one condition. What is that condition? You have to save your file. Your file means workbook and other data source also in same drive. Then you may apply this hyperlink to your workbook. Another one is absolute hyperlink. Second one is absolute hyperlink. It contains the full address. Of the destination file. Full address of the destination file or web page. Okay. See here, if you observe closely, it is a path. It displays every time full address or full path. Here, this is a file. Tulips, it is a file. It is a JPG file. It is a picture file only. Here, this is C drive. In C drive, this is a folder. In this folder, there is another folder, public folder, pictures. So, it is full address. If you want to see this file, means you have to open like this. See here, now I am opening. This is C drive. Now I am clicking on users. Here is the users folder. Now I am clicking on that folder. In this folder, you may click on this. See here, this is the pictures file. In this pictures file, you may see these pictures. If you want to apply this, means you may apply these pictures. Okay. So this is the path. You may raise a doubt, sir, where is the path, sir? See here, now I am clicking on here. See here, this is the path. Only. Okay. So like this way, you may apply both links if you want to apply hyperlinks, or if you want to insert hyperlinks in your workbook. Okay. Now, another point is advantages. What are the advantages? First one is no need to place the image or text physically in a place. No need to place that image or text physically in a place. You may keep that link instead of that image or text. You may keep that file link or that image link or that data source link or that web page link. And another point is it saves our time. And computer memory also. Okay. So these are the advantages. And another one, last one is disadvantage. What is the disadvantage? Relative linking is only possible when both the files are on the same drive or a location. So this is disadvantage. Now I am going to open Excel. For your understanding purpose, I am doing this practically, then everyone would understand clearly, I think. See here, now I am opening Excel. See children, I have opened book 1 ma, new book. This is called new book ma. In this, I am entering some data. Take it as an example only, don't think otherwise. Here, I want to insert a picture. How will I insert this picture? First you have to click on Insert tab in Ribbon toolbar. You know about this is Ribbon toolbar. This is called as Ribbon toolbar. In Ribbon toolbar, you may find Insert tab. Here is the Insert tab beside of Home tab. Here is Insert tab. If you click on that Insert tab means then it will display its contents like this. See here. Here is hyperlink. Hyperlink option in links group. This is links group. Already I told you in previous classes, these are the groups. This is tables group, this is illustrations group, this is add-ins group, and this is charts group, and this one is tours group, spark lines, filters group, and links group. You may find this hyperlink option or image in this group. Which group? Links group. Now I am going to click on this hyperlink icon. Why? Because I want to insert a picture here. I don't want to insert a picture. Actually, I want to insert that picture path. See here. Now I am clicking on hyperlink. Then it will open like this. In this, now I am adding a link. See here. Here is the pictures and another see here. Here is a picture, mountains under mist morning, amazing. Something picture is there. Take it as an example only. Now I am clicking on OK. See here. Here is the link. It is absolute reference only. You may raise a doubt, sir. How will you say this is absolute reference link, absolute reference hyperlink? Here it displays the full address. Full address means in C drive it is available. See here, the path is here. Now I am clicking on this path. Now I am saving this file. Before I am running this file, I am clicking on save button to save this file. See here, desktop. I am placing this file on desktop only. This is the file name is demo program. Okay. Now I am clicking on save button to save this file. See here. Here is the file. Now I am clicking on that file to open that file. Here is the file. Okay. So if I click on that one means then it will open like this picture. Again I am showing you. See here. If you move your cursor point on that link, if you move your cursor point, mouse pointer or cursor point on that link means then it will change its icon to hand symbol. See here. Here is here in S name column or B column, here is the symbol, plus symbol is there. But if I move this mouse pointer to this link means then it will change its icon to hand symbol. Now I am clicking on this one to open that picture. See here. Then it will open that picture immediately. Okay. Like this way you may insert a link or hyperlink, absolute hyperlink in a cell. Another one is there. Now only I told you there are two types of hyperlinks. First one is relative hyperlink and the second one is absolute hyperlink. Absolute hyperlink contains full address of the data source. It is a data source. డేటా సోర్స్ అంటే టెక్స్టే కాకర్లా, ఫైలే కాకర్లా, ఒక ఇమేజ్ కావచ్చు, లేకపోతే వెబ్ పేజ్ కావచ్చు, ఏదైనా వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబ్సల్యూట్ hyperlink. Now I am going to explain about relative hyperlink. Relative hyperlink. Now I am deleting this file. This file means this image link. Now I am explaining about relative hyperlink. What I said before, if you want to apply relative hyperlink means you have to save this file and other file in same drive only. I have saved this file in desktop. Only. Now I want to save that file. What file? I have saved one file. In pictures file. See here. Here is the picture. I have saved this picture in pictures folder. Now again I am copying this picture and I am saving this file on desktop. Why? Because now only I told you, if you want to apply this hyperlink means relative hyperlink, you have to save those files in same drive, or you may save you may create a new folder like this and you may save those files in that folder. You may save that file in that folder. See here. Now I am moving that file to here. See here. In this folder there are two files. First one is picture file and second one is demo program. So now I am opening this file and I am giving relative hyperlink. See here. How will I insert that link means click on insert tab and click on hyperlink. See here. Here is the file. Now I am clicking on OK to save that file. See here. If you observe closely, there is no any path here. In previous example, it displays a path here. But in this example, there is no any path. or full address. Why? Because I have saved these two files, this file and this file, demo program file, in one folder. What is that folder? New folder. So రెండు ఫైల్స్ ఒకే ఫోల్డర్లో సేవ్ చేశాను కాబట్టి ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ డిస్ప్లే ఫుల్ అడ్రస్. మన కండిషన్ కూడా అదే కదా. సో ఈ ఫైల్ డెమో ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫైల్, ఈ పిక్చర్ ఫైల్ రెండు ఒకే ఫోల్డర్లో ఉండాలి. సో అలానే సేవ్ చేశాను. నౌ ఐ am clicking on this link. Why? Because I want to open that file again. See here. Then it will open that file. You may raise a doubt, sir, I don't want to insert this picture, sir. I want to insert another picture. May I insert? Why not? You may insert. For your understanding purpose, now I am saving another file. See here. In this one picture file is it, that is desert. Here is that. For your understanding purpose, now I am opening that file. See here. This is desert picture. Now I want to copy this picture. See here. Now I am copying this picture location. See here. Here is the desert. Now picture link. How will I insert? First I have to click on insert tab and click on hyperlink. And after I have to select that file and click on OK. Then it will insert that link here. If I click on this picture or this link means, then it will open that picture. See here. Like this way you may insert a relative hyperlink in a cell. Okay. I'll continue in the next session. Bye children.